such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so good, and I don't wanna deal with this today.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is going in with my NYX Can't Stop concealer, and I'm going to be applying this to my lids, and I'm just going to blend this all out. And basically what I'm doing is just blending out the concealer into my lids, and then I'm going to go right into applying my eyeshadow. Guys, this concealer is amazing. Oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Ultimate palette, my favorite palette. And I'm going to be going in with that shade of pink. And I'm just going to apply this to my crease. So right now, I'm just tapping in the eyeshadow into my crease. And then I'm going to go with the more precise brush to apply the shadow. So right now I'm just applying more product into my crease, and then I'm going to go in with a blending brush to blend everything out. Right now I'm just blending, and I'm just going to keep blending, okay? I am so sorry guys if it seems like my voice is like really low. It's literally like 2:30 in the morning and I'm mad tired. So yeah, I'll try to sound more alive, okay? I'm gonna go in with my Zulu palette, one of my favorite palettes, and I'm gonna go in with that dark red shade just to like give the eye like a little pop, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And to be honest, like this red shade low-key looks like a dark pink. Like I like that, I really do. I really like the shade. So I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade from my NYX palette, and I'm just gonna apply this above my crease just to give this look a more subtle look, and just to blend out any harsh lines. So now I'm going to be going in with this Profusion palette, and I'm going to be using like that dark purple. I think it's like purple, like magenta. And I'm just going to apply this to my lid. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So basically I'm just going to apply this all over my lid so I can blend it all out as well. And this is just going to be like the base color, like on top, like it's going to be the color. Now I'm going to be going in with this blue NYX eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner, but I feel like it was a little like sticky in a way. So for this video, I decided to just keep the liner like thin and simple. I don't know, I was just feeling something like different. Instead of like going for like a longer wing liner, I wanted to do something like shorter. And oh yeah, I also forgot to say that I had to like put on tape because I wanted to get like a more clean look. So yo, you guys don't understand how I was trying to be so careful. I didn't want to mess up my eye. Like this is my first time using this eyeliner, and like it looks like it's coming out smoothly, but this eyeliner was so weird. It was sticky and weird. But yeah, this is how it looks. Did a short wing liner, and now I'm going to be going in with some drugstore lashes and applying these. I thought they were kind of cute, but they were a little short, but it's okay. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline primer. I really like this primer. And then for foundation, we're going to be going in with Milani Cosmetics. Their foundation honestly is fire. Like, I'm not going to lie. Their foundation is fire. I give it to them for this, okay? I love their foundation. And honestly, it's so affordable. That's what I love about them. So maybe one day I would try their other products, but for now I'm gonna stick with their foundation. So right now I'm gonna be going in with my NYX Can't Stop concealer to highlight. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, oh my goodness, this concealer, oh, this concealer is fire. It blends so beautifully. The quality is amazing. I love it. Like, I love it. Do you guys just see how it blends so well? Especially with like a brush. Like, I love blending out my concealers with a brush. And then I go back later with like a beauty blender just to make sure everything is like smooth. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth and blending my concealer where I'm highlighting, and yeah. So don't worry if it looks like I'm not blending out my concealer right. I'm just doing this right now to distribute the product, and then I'm gonna go back in and fully blend my concealer. Now I'm going to be going in with my NYX Drop Foundation, and I'm going to be using this as contour to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and yeah, and my nose as well too. And honestly, I really like using this Drop Foundation as my contour because it's so like easy to blend, and I feel like that's the kind of products I really like, especially when it comes to my contour. Some products are like so hard to blend out, and it makes like your contour look like a little harsh, and I don't like that kind of look. So I feel like that's why I love using this foundation. Now I'm contouring my tiny nose, and I'm gonna make it look a little pointy. I'm going to be going in with my Fenty setting powder to set my face, and I'm just going to be dabbing in the product instead of baking. I will bake later. And then I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way compact powder, and I'm just going to rub this all over my face, and then we're back to baking. I'm sorry guys, if you see me looking like I'm talking to someone, I was talking to my friend Vita. She came in while I was recording and we chatted like a little bit, so yeah. Now I'm going to be going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Hula Toasted Contour to set my cream contour from before. And I'm just going to be setting my contour for my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. So right now I'm applying black eyeliner. I'm doing this just to make my eyes appear a little smaller. I love applying black eyeliner, so yeah, my go-to thing. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be going back in with this dark red shade, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and, you know, fluff it out and extend it. I don't know why, I was feeling a little, you know, creative, so I decided to just extend that line, you know, to where the blue liner was. So yeah. I'm gonna go in with this icy blue shade, and I'm just gonna apply this to like the inner corners of my eye. This is always essential, okay? Just give you that little pop. Really like been feeling these two shades, like this orange and like reddish shade on my cheeks. I don't know, they've been like so pretty. The color combination together is so pretty as a blush color, so that's what I decided to use for my blush today. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be using Hard Candy Loose Highlighter from Instagram, and then I'm going to be using my NYX Setting Spray to set my face the first time, and then I'm going to go back in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set off my face. Again, that was my friend Vita. She kept distracting me. But anyways, I'm using a random lip liner to line my lips, and for this look I'm actually going to be using a red lipstick, so I decided to like make my liner a bit darker just to give like my lipstick a more like darker illusion. For the lipstick I'm going to be using, I honestly don't even remember where I got it from, but just know that every product that I am using in this video will be listed below in the description box. So while applying this, right, I decided that I wanted this to look like more matte. Like I wanted like a more matte look. So I went back in with my setting powder and I just dabbed a bit on my lips, and then bam bam bam, and voila, I had some matte red lips. But anyways guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys learned a few tips, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay, bye. Mwah. Okay guys, so this video has finally come to an end, and I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video to a friend, and I will see you guys in my next video.